Imagine hitting the open road with nothing but the wind in your hair, the hum of a small but mighty engine beneath you, and the freedom to explore anywhere you please. Now, imagine doing all that without a bulky RV, without the hassle of towing a camper, and without breaking the bank. Welcome to the world of the Camper Tricycle RV, a game changer in the world of compact adventure travel. This tiny yet incredibly efficient home on wheels is revolutionizing the way people experience life on the road. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, designed for those who crave adventure but prefer something small, lightweight, and fuel-efficient. The Camper Tricycle RV combines practicality with innovation in a way that no other vehicle can match. It's a perfect blend of a motorcycle's agility, a camper's comfort, and an RV's convenience, all packed into one ingenious design. Let's start with its compact size. Unlike traditional RVs that require massive parking spaces and consume large amounts of fuel, this little beast is easy to maneuver through tight city streets, scenic countryside roads, and even off-the-beaten-path locations. You won't have to worry about those narrow alleyways or crowded parking lots. It's nimble, lightweight, and effortlessly squeezes into spots where bigger vehicles simply can't go. But don't let its size fool you. This trike packs a serious punch when it comes to functionality. With a sleek aerodynamic design, it maximizes fuel efficiency while providing a surprisingly spacious interior. You might be wondering, how can something this small be comfortable? Well, that's where the genius of its design truly shines. Inside, you'll find a cozy sleeping area, storage compartments cleverly integrated into every inch of space, and even a small kitchenette for preparing meals on the go. Some models even include solar panels to keep you powered up no matter where you park. Now, picture yourself waking up in the middle of nowhere, maybe beside a crystal-clear lake, deep in the woods, or near a breathtaking mountain range. You open the compact yet functional door, step outside, stretch, and take in the fresh morning air. This is freedom. No hotel check-ins, no rigid itineraries, and no worrying about where to stay for the night. Just pure, unfiltered adventure on your terms. Speaking of adventure, this trike isn't just built for comfortable travel. It's built for exploration. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple looking for a unique getaway, or even a digital nomad seeking an affordable yet exciting mobile lifestyle, this Camper Tricycle RV adapts to your needs. The lightweight body allows for smooth handling, and depending on the model, you might even find some with off-road capabilities, meaning you're not just limited to paved roads. Let's talk about cost efficiency. One of the biggest challenges of traditional RV living is the sheer expense. High fuel costs, maintenance, and campground fees can add up quickly. But with a tricycle camper, those worries fade away. It consumes far less fuel than a regular RV, is easy to maintain, and can often be parked for free in many locations. For budget-conscious travelers who want to maximize their experiences while minimizing costs, this is a dream come true. Another major advantage is the ease of driving. If you've ever tried maneuvering a massive RV through a busy city or backing it into a tight parking spot, you know how stressful it can be. But with this three-wheeled marvel, driving feels almost effortless. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or cruising down a coastal highway, you get the best of both worlds: convenience and control. Customization is another exciting aspect of these unique vehicles. Many enthusiasts take their Camper Tricycle RVs and modify them to suit their personal style and needs. Want a fold-out table for outdoor dining? Done. Need extra solar panels for more energy independence? No problem. Some models even have expandable sleeping areas, retractable awnings, and custom paint jobs to make them truly one of a kind. And let's not forget the social aspect. This compact camper sparks curiosity wherever it goes. Park it at a scenic overlook and you're bound to have people coming up, asking questions and admiring the creativity behind its design. It's a conversation starter, a community builder, and a magnet for fellow travelers who share a passion for the open road. Now, you might be wondering about storage space. Surprisingly, these campers are designed with maximum efficiency in mind. Every inch is used wisely, with hidden compartments, underseat storage, and fold-out features that make it easy to store everything you need. From cooking gear to clothing, you'll be amazed at how much you can fit into such a small space without feeling cramped. Weather protection is another critical factor. Despite its compact size, the Camper Tricycle RV is built with durability in mind. Many models are designed with insulated walls, weatherproof exteriors, and even heating or cooling options to keep you comfortable in various climates. Whether you're camping in the heat of summer or on a chilly autumn evening, this tiny home on wheels has you covered. So who is this for? It's perfect for the minimalist traveler, the weekend warrior, the budget-conscious explorer, and even those who just want to experience something completely different. It's for people who believe that adventure doesn't have to be complicated, that freedom should be accessible, and that the journey itself is just as important as the destination. And let's talk about the sheer joy of riding. Unlike a bulky RV that separates you from the experience of the road, a Camper Tricycle RV keeps you engaged.